Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Al-Lisan. I'm very excited to announce the first course that will be uploading on Al-Lisan channel. Here's 3 things that you need to know about the course. Number 1, the Arabic that we'll be learning in this course is what's known as modern standard Arabic. It's very close to classical Arabic with a few changes and adaptations for it to be more suitable in modern times. Both classical Arabic and modern standard Arabic are referred to as Fusha. This is the kind of Arabic that you'll find written in books, newspapers, in the media in general. It's also spoken in formal events. However, when it comes to the street Arabic or the Arabic that's spoken on a daily basis, Arabs tend to use a more distorted version of Arabic, if you may say, referred to as Ammiya. So going back to the course, we'll be teaching Fusha, which is also known as classical Arabic or modern standard Arabic. Number 2, the book that we'll be using for this course is called alarabiyatu-bayna-yadayk. It's a book consisting of 8 volumes over 4 levels, and it's very popular amongst Arabic learners in the West, and that's one of the main reasons we chose this particular book, alongside the fact that it's available in PDF form as well as in many of the bookstores in the West. Add to that the fact that it's containing a variety of topics and the well-structuredness of the book. All these made us choose Al-Arabiyatu-Bayna-yadayk to be our first course. Number 3, in this course you will be learning how to speak Arabic all the way from Assalamu alaikum and how to introduce yourself to being able to make independent conversations and write essays and read books by yourself. However, this book doesn't teach you how to read or write. So if you don't know the Arabic alphabet or don't know how to read or write, then you are required to learn that first before joining the course. But the good news are, the Arabic language is one of those languages that are very easy for you to pick up, reading and writing. It's because the Arabic words are pronounced the same way they're written and written the same way they are pronounced. It's kind of like Indian and Korean. Unlike the English language, if you're teaching someone English for the first time and you're telling them to, for example, spell the word neighbor, they will never be able to guess the correct spelling of the word neighbor if they've never seen it. Or if they read the word neighbor for the first time, they will most probably mispronounce it. And that's why you guys have spelling competitions, right? We Arabs don't have spelling competitions because spelling is just that easy. That's everything for today's video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. I've been Ali Al-Ghazali from Egypt, and I'll be speaking to you very soon. Assalamu alaikum.